Since the launching of the Lomé Declaration on fertilizer and soil health, one of the key priorities to implement was to make operational the West African Fertilizer Quality Control. And yes, in 2023, we were able to launch officially the establishment of the West African Fertilizer Quality Control in Abidjan. From then, several recommendations was made to the member state that was still lacking behind in the full implementation of the regulatory framework to speed up the implementation, particularly the establishment of the National Fertilizer Quality Control in their member state. What has been done so far? Currently, some countries have made some improvement, Côte d'Ivoire, for example, and Niger, and some other countries have developed regulatory framework, but they are yet to adopt those regulatory framework to officially establish the National Fertilizer Quality Control, and also establish the inspector that will be mandated and assigned to develop the quality, to assess the quality control of the fertilizer in the member state. Additionally, some training has been done about more than 100 inspectors across the region to enable them to have the necessary capacity for soil testing and also fertilizer quality assessment in the laboratory. Since then, this is what has been achieved. Now we are in Lagos organizing the second official meeting of the regional committee. We have observed that a lot of improvement even so far has been done. We still have a lot to do. Some countries, as I said, are still not implementing fully the regulation. And at the conclusion of our debate, because each country were able to present the status of the implementation, we are unanimously agreed that by next year, since we will be having a roundtable, each country needs to fast-track the implementation of the regulatory framework. We will be supporting via various technical partners the assessment, the sectoral review in each country, which will necessarily get into the adoption of investment plan. And those documents will be now presented at the roundtable by God willing next year, 2025. So this is the key takeaway from the Lagos meeting that we just achieved.